for time that we give them 2 weeks. For us, experience has taught us that the moment you extend time, people tend to relax. In RIM here, for us, time is money. And we also want to change people's attitudes to respect time. When we give you a deadline, you must respect it. And you saw it today. We had our engagement at 10. Everyone was on alert. Because the moment you relax, you are losing money. So, same to the leadership of the Boda Riders and all of us. If you give a grace period which is very long, then it means you have failed before I even set the first step. From the systems we have put in place, we are sure that...
Kubanza for identification. Mimi hano kubaha boda no kubetaonera mukukura twine streets nyingi na monomone zo busuma. Nebindi. So umwana wa boda hano mimi wakubena kadi akagira na reflector kitokonyera customer bara bamuhekere. Kimwamhira kwa identifying no amuhekere no baramukora ikizibu kyanguye gukora traceability kutunga umuntu. Niyo songa
mwe miezi ngecho ngebiri. Sorting. Tuja sekolinga buli mwafu ni aisa wazino fenali jitunyize yali afuna kwa batu go baku stage tetwade tukolera wana abasabaze taxi wajemu boda ziringa 10 fena tutegero
demu kirungi nnyo mu program eje batuwadde nnungi nnyo abachairman na town plan bayogede bulungi chairman wa boda Rwimi ayogede bulungi nnyo tugambye tutagala wiki 2 ezo tusingaganemu mukole ebintu ebikola ki ebinavaamu kadi evemu reflector bivemu bulungi.